The last method is sort method. Sort method will simply sort the item from the list, which means that we can sort the item either in increasing order or decreasing order. Now I'm going to sort the item. So here I created a list, and now I'm going to simply sort this list. Now I'm going to print the updated list, which is A. So here we get the result, which is in increasing order, which means that the first item is the lowest item and the last item is the highest item, which have the larger value. So if you want to get the value in decreasing order, then we'll simply reverse the sorting items, REVERS, reverse, and here we get the result in decreasing order. So here we have two examples. This is in increasing order and this is in decreasing order of sorting.